Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. Okay, so in this video today, I am going to go ahead and decorate this corner, and I'm calling it a candy corn cloche. I am absolutely loving this candy corn theme. So if this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video, and I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you who've known me for a while, or even from the very beginning, I so thank you from the bottom of my heart for supporting my channel. Now my son will be popping in the video, as he always does when he's home. And I'm going to go ahead and play a little bit of music, and I'll see you at the end. Also remember that every time you click that like button and full watch the video, even share the video, this helps me to grow. And then commenting below just lets me know how you're enjoying the video. I think it's time to head on over to the reveal. I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoy creating it for you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, guys. I'll see you in the next one.